Thing that you want to do when you get a brand new brush is take it out of the packaging, throw away all of the packaging. You don't want to try to put that plastic piece on after you've used your brush, because that plastic is going to melt and it's going to ruin your brush. So throw those away. You're going to take your brush, press it down onto your paper towel. There's a starch in your brush that holds those bristles together. It looks like you're ruining your brush, but all you're doing is breaking that starch out. Use a brand new clean manicure brush, brush out as much of the starch as you can. Break all of that out of there. You want to avoid touching your brush with your fingers because you don't want to get any of those oils from your fingers, or if you have dust or anything on there, you don't want to contaminate your brush. Once you get the majority of that starch out of the brush, you're going to go into your monomer, rinse that brush as well as you can, kind of press it down into the liquid, really try to rinse out all of that starch that's in there, break all of that starch out. When you think you've got it all cleaned out, you're going to take your brush back out, wipe it out, and we're going to take out a little bit more. If you need to, you can come back in with an orange wood stick and just very gently break out those pieces. Once you get the majority of that broken out again, try going back into your liquid again, rinse it really well, and again roll back to a point. Sometimes you do need to kind of retrain your brush to go back to that nice tight point. Just keep going back into your monomer, rolling to a point, rolling to a point, rolling to a point. And eventually it's going to come back to that nice tight point and you'll be ready to use the brush.